Hey guys, it's unfortunate. Hey guys, it's Pods and more with me. I hope everything's going well with you and you're taking care of yourselves and the ones you love and that you can hear me in this wind. But it's a rainy, ugly day and I just want to show you what difference 24 hours can make in Michigan, so go easy. It's about mid-30s and it rained today. It may snow this afternoon and it's supposed to be in the 50s or 60s tomorrow. It rains in Michigan. And this area that you see here will sometimes, in fact, the rain will come so much it will generally be right to about this line. So the rainwater will pick up that height, and a couple times it's been above this. April Fools, ma'am. Remember it was supposed to be sunny today? Ma'am, did you knock over my chair? I think you did. With your thunderous, cavernous farts. That's why I always go on my walks, and I would have to go out in my waders right now. Happy spring, ma'am. Mm-hmm.
The rainy weather.
Hang out? You want to go in? What are you thinking?
Park. I want to see backslide.
Okay, bye.